Hello guys, this is going to be a quick one just because of I had a recent issue with Davinci Resolve and I and I managed to work this out words and I'm going to share my solutions with you. So I was editing a new video like I do every day and there is no audio. See, nothing plays. If you look here at the waveform it's there, so the video has audio. I can play it outside. Welcome to this week's RH. See, I don't want to spoil the video, but yeah, the video has audio, but while playing it on the Davinci Resolve, I hear nothing. And then after some investigation, look here at the bottom right. I'm going to put the video playing. And if I try to tweak my things, you can see this glitching. This happens, I'm using Cinnamon, but this happens in GNOME, for example, too. And if you watch carefully, you'll see that there's a microphone popping. There's a microphone popping there, blah, 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 so as you can see. So it's a kind of weird thing related to the microphone. For some reason, and this is a fully updated Fedora 43, and this happened after a full update on Fedora 43. I don't update stuff unless I have to. I will not update Resolve because everything just works fine except for this issue. So I will show the solution. All I have to do is do this. I'm going to put this in the description, and this is going to create a fake microphone. So I guess if you have a microphone plugged in, it will work fine, a physical microphone. Since in this PC I don't usually do, and I don't want to plug in a microphone just to fix this issue. So I just create a fake one. I had this command somewhere in my notes that I used somewhere in my past life, and it's here. You do this, you hit enter, and now now everything audio now works. To this week's RHSA EX100. So it seems to be a weird bug, glitch, whatever, on this version of the Davinci Resolve, which is I have the newly update downloaded, but this version works for me. This issue will occur in all the Davinci Resolve 20 something something something. So just do this, hit enter. You can even do Control C and close the terminal. Now it's there. This week's RH. The only thing that you need to do is every time you open Resolve and experience this issue, you need to redo the commands. Anywhere good to go, you off to the races, edit your video. It's a minor nuisance. Yes, it is a minor nuisance, but I mean, this works. I'm fine with that. Hopefully in some future update of Fedora. I don't know if the issue it's a Fedora issue, if it is a Resolve issue. I'm not really sure. I guess it's kind of a shared responsibility a shared responsibility in the way. Okay, but I mean, I digress. Here is the answer. You find the solution down below. Maybe in the future Fedora update it gets fixed. I don't want to update stuff without having the need to do so because that's how I just work. You do you. If you want to fully update Fedora and see if it fixes, further update Fedora and see if this fixes, let me know in the comments below. If you update the Resolve for a more recent version and this gets fixed, also let us know in the comments below. Let's get the comments running and get this going so people know how to fix this. So, I mean, it's a fully updated Fedora 43. Today it's the 9th of July 2026, and it's a fully updated Fedora 43, and the Resolve version is this one. And this is how you fix it in the fully updated Fedora 43 in the, what today is today? In the 9th of July of 2026. So this workaround will just work. Just run this. You can then Control C, Control D, and close the terminal, and things will just work. Every time you reopen Resolve and you feel that you have no audio, just redo that command, redo the procedure, and things just go back to working state. So this is because Fedora does not detect the microphone. So I'm not sure if this is an issue regarding Fedora or Fedora or Resolve itself. Let me know in the comments below if this happens in other Linux distributions too, and if this helps you. Let me know in the comments below anything you may ask or other workarounds for this, or if any update works. I digress. This is how we work around this. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, have anything to add. Like, subscribe, hype, and comment. I'm out for now.